Hey guys, Cameron here, and welcome back to the first ever Cameron Haunt review. This is on the brand new for 2025 Cat Door Knocker. Now, I got this from Dollar Tree just about a second ago. You can see the LED lights right here and the tongue. Now, on the back here, if you open this up, you can see batteries in there. That's my grandpa added. Now, there's something different than the skull. Check it out. Yep, it makes cat sounds just what I expected. Let's do it again. Pretty cool, huh? So, enjoy the video. Subscribe. Bye.